We're starting off the week with a brand new edition of Technically Speaking. Stay tuned. Jim, so nice to see you this Monday.
Well, good morning, Daniela. Good to see you.
Jim, congrats also on your webinar, which was broadcast on Kitco.com last week. I hope we'll have more of those from you.
Oh, I enjoyed it very much, and I hope we do too.
So, Jim, set us up for the week. What can we expect this week from gold?
Daniela, it's kind of a quieter week to start out in the marketplace. We got no major geopolitical events taking place that are fresh fundamental news anyway. The European Union sovereign debt crisis is kind of stabilized. We haven't had any fresh flare-ups in the Middle East regarding the U.S. and Iran over their nuclear ambitions. So it's that kind of quietness in the marketplace is a little bit bearish for the safe haven asset gold.
So, Jim, in your webinar, you spoke about your market rating system. So if you had to rate gold this week, what number are you looking at?
I'm giving gold and silver both a rating of 4. That's mildly bearish on a near-term basis, Daniela. Both gold and silver are in 3-week-old downtrends on the daily bar charts as we speak. So the bears do have a slight near-term technical advantage for both gold and silver. Importantly, however, I will point out that from a longer-term perspective, looking at the monthly charts and even the weekly charts, the gold market remains in a solid price uptrend.
And Jim, which resistance points are you looking at for gold? What are some key figures?
Well, in April gold futures this week, we've got strong psychological support at 1,600. We've got strong psychological resistance at 1,700. The key number, though, that I'm looking at this week is last week's low of 1634.70. If we take that out on the downside, we're going to do fresh chart damage to suggest a quick challenge of that $1,600 level, and we'll do some more chart damage. Conversely, if we close prices above 1,700, that's going to give the bull some fresh upside technical momentum to suggest that we have put in a near-term low.
Jim, now if we focus our attention over to silver, you mentioned that it's also in a 3-week-old downtrend. What are some numbers that you're looking at over there?
Well, silver, last week's low of 31.62, if you take that out on the downside, that's also going to produce fresh chart damage. We've got some solid overhead resistance at last week's high of 34.41 basis May silver futures. If we push prices above 34.41, that's going to give the bulls some fresh upside momentum. We've also got major psychological support at the $30 level in May silver futures.
So in a nutshell, Jim, consolidation spilling over into this week from last week.
Right. Just consolidation on the charts. Quiet to start the trading week. If you do see any geopolitical activity flare up, you're probably going to see the gold market wake up also. But right now, just kind of a sleepy type trading mentality.
All right, Jim, fantastic. Thanks so much for your thoughts this Monday.
Thank you so much, Danielle. I'm looking forward to next time.
And thank you for watching Technically Speaking with Jim Wyckoff. You can email me, as always, at newsfeedback@kitco.com. For Kitco News, I'm Daniela Cambone.